Okay, this video is about my wife's video tracking system called Pixio. These are the three locators that are you put out in the field or out in the riding arena. Well, we've had problems with it. The primary problem has been this. See if I can get it close up. The insert, the metal part falls out or gets pulled out, and then the connector inside slides out of place, and you can't charge the device anymore. So we had sent the first one back to the manufacturer. It's all the way back in France. Unfortunately, it's very expensive and takes a lot of time. She can't use it. So I decided to, and it seemed like they're all going to fail. So we fixed one. Now I'm going to come up with a plan. So number 3 just failed. And so what I did is I bought this micro adapter. It inserts inside, and then it has the same receptacle on the other side. It's actually a right angle. It's kind of a special one. But I got it on Amazon. They shipped to me in a day. I made a little plastic platform, just the right height to glue this to, and I glued it to the Pixio. So now when you plug it in, you're not pulling that insert out anymore, and you're not wearing it out. You can wear this out all you want. It's replaceable. Now that's the one that broke. Now on the other ones, I wanted to come up with a plan to save it. So what I did is I found this adapter. It's micro to micro, and on this end it plugs in. On the other end, you can plug your charger in. So once I plug it in, as is the case in this one, you just leave it in forever. And this is secured so that it won't pull out. So what you do is you just plug your charger into this end. Now you no longer risk pulling it out, and maybe losing that metal part and then ruining the device. Hope this is some help to some people. I'm imagining this is a common failure mode.